Weekends are for planning for a successful week. You check on your pantry, your fridge, a little bit of self-care, and everything that needs to be organized before the start of the week. We are starting with some self-care, and on this video we are using honey and lemon as the scrub, and I must say it's giving justice to my face. So it is something I can recommend someone to try it out, and it is friendly to all skin types, whether oily, normal or dry. Leave a comment with what you use for your scrub. The next thing, I am heading to the kitchen and I have some dishes to clean. You can see most of them are clean, so I just cleaned up. I didn't want to record while I was doing it, and I'm ready to cook dinner. I had some cereals, some dal in the fridge, so I'm just going to prepare rice. For my rice, I used 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, and for this specific recipe I used pearl rice. It's really nice, but after today I have changed again to sunrise because it was more pocket friendly. Yeah, so I will keep switching until maybe one of them stabilizes, but I have to be mindful of my tight budget. So I'm just cleaning up, and also how I cook, I'll just add the rice and the water at the same time. I'll not allow the water to boil and just leave it to boil. That is my simple way of making rice. Leave a comment with how you make yours. We can always try out a new way of preparing the rice. And in no time, we are going to cook it. If you're still watching, kindly give this video a like, comment, and share. It really helps in growing this channel. The next thing is our rice is ready, and we are going to have it with dal. This is an Indian dish. I shared a shot of how I prepared the dal, and I must say it's also an interesting meal. At first I didn't like it, but I have come to like it. The next thing was to check on my pantry what I needed to restock. As you can see, most of my jars are down there, very low on foodstuffs. So after reviewing, I must go for shopping so that at least come the next week I don't have issues trying to figure out what to cook. Remember, we said you have to finish what you have in stock, but of course if you don't have sufficient, you can always restock before the next shopping. So the next thing we're going to check is the fridge. As you can see, the freezer is almost empty. The sausages, we have not consumed much this month, so it means we are going I am not going to restock until I finish. That's my rule. We just have some sausages and some green peas and a few other things in the freezer, but I don't plan to restock the fridge and the freezer much, because I've realized the eating habit has become slightly different. And once we are done, it's time to go for shopping. To the shopping haul, we have arrowroots. This size, 6 of them going for 200. So basically 3 are going for 100, and they're still expensive, I must say, but well, we'll just have to make do with that. Then we have grapes. I managed to get the grapes for 300. Yeah, also quite expensive. I bargained. Yeah. So, and then we have watermelon. It's running out of season, so I got this at 100 shillings. It doesn't feel like it's really nice. So we also got bananas. These bananas are for 100. Then we have oranges. Oranges are for 100. I don't know if it's 100 or 200. Then we have mangoes for 200. This size one is 30 shillings, so they're quite expensive. Yeah, I think that's it for the grocery. And then we have more bananas here. It's like they are already starting to ripen. Yeah, so we have this bananas. These are my friends, so I'll not remove them, but they are going to be ripe by tomorrow, so I need to ensure I carry them. So I'm just going to put the fruits in the fridge, then we continue with the other items. So we go to supermarket shopping. We start with the tissues. This Hanan has affordable tissues, and what I've realized is even their cheaper version, it is usually one layer, but it is a thick layer. Yeah, and then on that bag we also had soap, Dettol Cool. Yeah, then we bought milk. These are, I think, 6 or 7 packets. Yeah, so we have 6 packets of milk. So we go to the next items. We have some sugar, so we were just adding an extra 1 kg. We have maize flour, just a little, so we're just adding. Once again, this month I've changed the brand of rice because this month this was cheaper, so I keep interchanging. Whichever is cheaper this month is what I take. And then we have all-purpose flour. Yeah, and then I got some coffee sachets for the office when I'm just craving coffee. I'm not crazy about coffee, but in case I want coffee, then I have some sachets. We got additional stock of serviettes. Obviously Naivas is usually the cheapest, so I pick that one. Then I got more salt. I still have some stock, but I like having additional. The Colgate toothpaste was on offer. You get 2 for $3.60 and 1 piece was $2.50, so it sounded like a good deal. So yeah, so this 100 ml for $360. I feel like it's reasonable. Leave a comment if you think otherwise or if you support it. Then of course we've got our colored bell pepper. We have the red, yellow and green. Yeah, we didn't have much to restock. Then we got white bread and scones. I thought we were going to eat white bread today, but apparently we got the pizza in offer, which was almost, I think, about half price, so that's what we had. So the total cost of shopping was $4,275 for the supermarket and $1,100 for the fruits. Yeah, so that's the total for the week. Yeah, so that's it for the shopping haul. I think that will close this video. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on our next one. Bye.